And this video we're going to do another thing besides Beyblades, which is a random thing. Basically, we got a long time ago. The Hot Wheels Battle Force 5, like the episode 1, and then there's 2 cars. So I'll unbox it. Let's put it more like down here. I'll just unbox it. Open it. So first I'll get out the DVD to include the first episode starting line. So this is what's inside the DVD. Nothing very special besides the DVD. And then I'll get out the cars. This is just random stuff I want to do unboxings of, because this is doing an unboxing of it. So it can go like that, or it can go like that. It's a cool thing about the car. And then here is the bad guy car. That's the good guy car. This is the bad guy car. No, I'm not into these, by the way. So this is the other part. Cannot drive that way. So cannot drive like that, actually. So these are the 2 cars. And here is the DVD. Oh, can this focus? Wait, I'm gonna get a Beyblade to see if it can focus. I'll grab a Beyblade to see if it can focus. I don't know if this camera can focus or not. I think so. So yeah, just comment if you want us to do anything else besides, Battle Force 5, which we're probably not going to do any more of, and Beyblades. So yeah, let's just check out the back of the DVD. So it's very nice. It has that, I can't remember his name right there. I can't remember it, but it says episode 1 starting line on the very, it was Battle Force 5. And then, so yeah, these are the 2 cars. Wait, other ones. Yeah, these are the 2 cars. They're very nice. They're kind of pretty nice. We're just gonna see how they move. So, first this one moves kind of like this, very smoothly. And then this one can go like this and then flip over like this. And then it's like all nighttime. So yeah. These are the 2 cars, and yeah, so please make sure you like this video and make it your favorite and share it. We don't have to make it your favorite because it's not all that good, but tell us what else besides Beyblades you want us to do, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.